Hello everyone, this is Aditi and welcome back to my channel Art Crumbs. Hope you all are doing good. So today I am back with another very beautiful drawing on Peacock. But before we begin with this, do subscribe to my channel Art Crumbs and press the bell icon for further updates so that you do not miss out on any new video of mine. So I have taken here an ivory sheet of 10 x 10 inches and applied the masking tape on the borders. आप यहाँ पे कोई भी ड्राइंग शीट ले सकते हो, whichever you like. I have taken an ivory sheet so that I can also get it framed and use it as a wall decor. So now I have started drawing the peacock here. If you have seen here, I have divided it almost in 4 parts and then marked this vertical line, and with the help of that I have drawn this part. Now I am drawing here the feathers of the peacock. I have drawn here this eye. I am putting some design here in the feathers so that we can have beautiful colors inside it. Starting with the outlining, I have taken here a black gel pen as well as a pointed micron fineliner from Artline. But this is totally on your choice, you can take anything. Here I am drawing the different patterns. On the feathers of the peacock. Further add some details to the feather, I am drawing this pattern here in the feathers. If you want, you can also skip this part. Now I am starting with the coloring here, and I am using here Dom's oil pastel colors, 24 shades. peacock here I have used different shades, and even for the body I have used here light green, cerulean blue, light blue, and then we will actually blend it with the help of an earbud. For the inner part of the feather, now I have used here yellow, orange and red, and see how the hues are coming. It's looking bright, isn't it? जो भी different colors हैं, I am blending them all with the help of your earbud. I am not using a tissue paper or a cotton here क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो भी parts हैं, जो भी gaps हैं, they are very small and I want it to be very neat. and again we are using here shades of blue, orange and green. So friends, do try out this drawing. I hope you all liked it. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel Art Crumbs and press the bell icon for further updates. Share the video with your friends and do comment about how you felt. Also, the materials required for this drawing are mentioned in the description box, and if you have any queries you can mention them in the comment section, and also send me your artworks at my Gmail ID artcrumbsforyou@gmail.com, or also you can tag me on my Instagram ID @artcrumbs2020. Till the next time, take care. Bye bye.